Kwabe.
Nana.
Emra, you read the budget.
Yes, media budget review.
Yes, and the Public Financial Management Act. And the finance minister to go to parliament in the middle of the year.
Yes.
For media budget. Sometimes you find a supplementary budget. You say you could Jessica and you find a supplementary. See, and Jessica there, and that is that. Kwame. Emra so the second time that I've seen Ghana you read the budget outside Mr. Uforiata.
Okay.
In the 7 years of Nana Addo Dankwa Akuffo Addo, and I say 7.5 years, because Mr. Uforiata read the budget. So the first time that we saw that it was Honorable Chairman Sabunsu.
Yeah.
Yes.
I remember.
Read the budget on behalf of Mr. Uforiata.
2022. Right?
Yes, 2022. And Honorable Amin Adam. And so I be read the back. When now you there, cause okotna hot chair pansana. Both minority and majority appear our preliminary honor. You there, Kwame.
Yes.
I have read the budget twice. Throughout, and one of the shortest budgeter, Kwame Enya.
Yeah.
Epane this supplementary budget. Now, we read the budget now share science, Kwame.
Yeah.
Nana Addo Dankwa Akuffo Addo, when it comes to infrastructure development, Kwame Wayade. We read the budget ni ye. Now share shortcut in say commission of project.
Yeah.
I don't think say for 8 years. Se papa no ebunu kompo kohwe na chi na so kase me hwe adwuma amaye for 8 years. When it comes to infrastructure development, Kwame, nani muda. He wouldn't be ashamed of it. Road infrastructure, Kwame, almost 12,000 kilometers. It is not a joke. As for that one, Kwame, why are there? But he missed it yesterday. I'm saying that President missed it yesterday because every budget be a Kwame, a president budget.
Yeah.
And a Ghana budget. A president of the state in the budget.
How a person managing a resource.
That's it. And no be a budget. Though the ministry and their agencies will prepare their budget, come up with their initiative and everything. But Obio man penina appointee ubiano. Since I prepare budget now. Or man penny be shame I'll go through piano.
Yeah.
And your man penny budget, even if it is your initiative, it's your man penny budget and then yeah. You see, whether we like it or not, Kwame, or man penny political party that they could see.
Yeah.
And a baby a junior politics. They make what I say. He missed it yesterday. Or man penny missed it yesterday.
And Konya then.
Kwame. This is the last budget. I called it this is a last budget because I know November there will be the final budget for
2025,
which is be the Nana Akuffo Addo, the last budget.
Yeah.
I want the 10 one. But 5 months to the election, then you read a supplementary budget. Kwame, he should have done something to woo a certain people and as a Ghanaians. Because the expectation when you read commentaries, when you watch news features, both radio and television, the Akuffo ka na expecting. We did not see that.
COVID levy now.
Yes, we did not see that, Kwame.
He levy ne da so. Sanitation levy e da so.
Kwame, at the criteria makers are say. The economic indicators here, Kwame, do fan election. I'm telling you.
So, but say minister say recover. The economy is recovering.
No, as it stands, and what's an America because he's talking about future. Nobody can predict the future. Because we saw it 2022. Say the economy no that time no by the time we read 2023 and one by recover by 2023 early 2023 a hit 53 point something inflation. They make what I say. It is the predicted year nani. It when a big gambling and on my penny. I call it a big gambling because men scrappy some of the taxes. Na me nyesi can find yet projects. Na Ghana for what home. And I say men taxes no find yet those projects no. de make what say na me fa wu enkofo fa nkoto aba which one would they accept back me can we say we are all these roads tintin bebrebe nyina kwa me we are roads we nyina we just infrastructure we nyina na sanna me koma kole kokoto ade na ye 10 cities me ko na 50 cities akwa me nipa ne beto abade atia what I was expecting and Addo Akuffo Addo say ko be ni say kwa me at least the 22 port charges one some of the charges ni bi are outmoded atwam a computer na eya aduma import and export association say import and export association for na guta for no eno omuni na eya NDC for no ma sabotage I know people who are MP people they are saying say taxes na wo ho no ebi nya aduma ba ye eche eno ka ho bi ena am ye dollar no de bia busidi no amasidi na ye mre take it off for them kwame ebetimi ama ade na me koto no makola no a obi di sabotage eya ade se o fight asa ade no eye 20 cities enko 30 cities kwame ebetimi achai
okay
kwame wotimi fasa economic indicator we enko koto abada because November budget na be November no kwame ye fan to aba because
it take effect in January.
Yes, and they say take effect kwa oko scrap ye fe say taxes at that time na obi abeka cho say ayitina abanity na we sad cause suspicion automatically follow you. Remember 2012 when President Akuffo ye cast want fuel so say that
2000
we need money at that time, we needed money at that time. I be infrastructure development, but time abandon course second round. You to abandon on the 7th. A course second round on the 12th. Not President Akuffo Addo because you have 12 28 December. Come Ghana for 1 18 November no is shut down. That's what I'm saying. That this budget is the last budget. Come e-levy. Your candidate is telling you that when I come, I will abolish e-levy. Yes, we need money. At the year normal baby. But committee, February this year, former deputy finance minister, the late John Kuma, there was a programmer near Wealth and Jobs Expo. And now on making revelation say 2023 alone, the e-levy gave this country 1.19 billion Ghana cedis. And that money, allocated that fund to use that program. The Ghana Enterprise Agency, National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program, which is NIP, to combat unemployment. Kwame, to combat unemployment. But Ghana Statistical Service, after this, Ghana Statistical Service is telling you that the unemployment has hit 1 million. So what is the sense in taking there? Yes,
1.9 million Ghanaians.
Yes, 1.9 million Ghanaians in Yaduma. And based on this, and your candidate is telling you that, maybe I abolish e-levy. So what are you taking the e-levy for? When can't you do politics for some time, Kwame?
What's your minister? I think there was your per se economy in recover. And you know, by 2025, they're not near much to turn up. I mean, so we e-levy is free one, and what it means is that there will be revenue shortfalls. A buying target of revenue, what projecting on your idea will be to me.
That's what I'm saying. That finance minister be a bad point, Kwame. Finance minister, your job, your core job is to go and look for money. A buying budget, a buying sikasem, a buying project. Execute. And I'm saying that it is not only taxes in Kwana Kwame. That's it.
But we are close. Capital markets now closing down on us. Euro bond.
Then we don't have finance ministers. That Kwame, we don't have finance ministers.
Because your debt restructuring of
That Kwame, we don't have. I'm not already budget now.
Yes.
Debt is a restructuring. And someone can there's a hope. About making a fair saying cash is baby, strikes baby.
So when negotiating.
Yes, Kwame. When we take COVID, for example, everybody is talking about the COVID levy. Abroche for mobile. omo kofa normal ba. Everybody is talking about it. And the World Health Organization, I announce what catcher say the COVID is over. Last year to November, May last year, World Health Organization director activity for Facebook, they issued document out. Obia member state be affiliated to World Health Organization. You know say COVID is over. But almost say Obia share who suye. Kwame, you bet me a scrap the COVID levy. Ah, nessa dachi yadi ne banner be ye claim Obia who. You bet me sad yaba and say Kwame.
Now they say what would the Bank of Ghana and Zodeba? What we know?
Dabi.
Ending of this month, oh ye Ghana ni, oh abrochri, oh ye Ghana ni, oh te Ghana ha, what be a dollar accounter? Commercial bonds ni na good. Into be an obit me foreign currency account. What it means is that businessmen na ye business, no, I keep foreign accounts, currency account. What would mean yes idea ni bi. And Crawford here. One more start your bufu gidi.
I said be on person arrested dollar. No.
Exactly.
That's the strategy.
Exactly.
But come is no more in year 2022. And yet 5 months to the election, 2025 election, 2024. Kwame. Ask me, Kwame. Ah, your candidate is telling you to a flat rate. Our port, Kwame.
Exactly.
Now, so couldn't we have done something? I bet you closer to that flat rate to open the box of hope for Dr. Bawumia and your political party. Kwame, he missed it.
Very well.
Yesterday, my penny missed it. But I'm praying for them because sir indicators we party. Kwame Eddie. Just a Ghana for accept say, okay, we have accepted it. Say na Ghana tie. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is different from Nana Addo Akufo Addo. That has been his message.
Okay.
That I'm different from Nana Addo Akufo Addo. Help me to come. The bar, the Akufo Addo aya enkoyia. Ama ye ho chie no. I'll come and push stop to it. That's all.